Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The pepper paste I used for this recipe consists of just rodo and dry shombo, no tomatoes. So guys, you will need to fry this pepper for 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat till you achieve this consistency. The like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And our yam pottage, yam porridge is ready. I am sure I'm not the only one who uses these words interchangeably. Yam porridge, yam pottage. Which is it? Which is the correct one? But I guess they mean the same. But what do you call it? What do you guys call it? I'd love to hear from you. Please drop your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Yes guys, see you in my next video.